Dividend investing for beginners. Turn $500 into monthly paychecks, even on a budget. What if $500, just $500, could write you a paycheck every single month? Not from a second job, not from selling anything, just money showing up automatically. That's not a fantasy. That's dividend investing. And today, Uncle Keith is going to show you exactly how it works, even if you've never invested a single dollar in your life. Let me ask you something. How many people told you, growing up, that investing was for rich people? Maybe you heard, that's for Wall Street guys. Or, you need thousands to even get started. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. That's exactly what keeps most people broke. Not the economy, not your salary, the belief that investing isn't for people like us. Uncle Keith used to think the same thing. I thought the stock market was a casino. Too risky. Too complicated. I was wrong. Because there's one type of investing that doesn't require you to time the market, pick the next big stock, or watch your screen all day. It's slow, it's boring, and it works. It's called dividend investing. What is dividend investing? Okay, simple version, no jargon. When a company makes a profit, sometimes they keep all of it, but sometimes they share it with their investors. That share is called a dividend. Think of it like this. You and your neighbor go in together on a lemonade stand. The stand makes money. Your neighbor writes you a check just because you own a piece of it. That's a dividend. Now imagine instead of a lemonade stand, it's Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson. Companies that have been paying investors for decades. And here's the part people miss. You don't need to sell anything to get paid. You just own the stock. The check comes to you every quarter. Some even pay every single month. So when people say passive income, this is what they mean. Money that shows up whether you're working, sleeping, or on vacation. What is DRIP? Now here's where most beginners stop. They get their dividend check, let's say it's $4, and they think, that's it? $4? So they spend it. Maybe it covers their coffee. Cool. But the investors who actually build wealth, they don't spend that $4. They put it right back into the same stock. This is called DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plan. And DRIP is where the magic happens. Picture a snowball at the top of a hill. Small, right? You could hold it in one hand, but as it rolls down, it picks up more snow. Gets bigger, rolls faster, picks up even more snow. That's compound growth. Your dividends buy more shares. Those shares pay more dividends, which buy more shares, over and over, automatically. You set it up once and then you just let it roll. This is how regular people build real wealth. Not luck, not a hot stock tip, a snowball, and time. All right, so how do you actually do this with $500? 3 steps, that's it. Step 1, open a brokerage account. Fidelity or Charles Schwab. They're free, no minimum. Takes about 10 minutes, not intimidating, just a bank account, but for investments. Look for companies that have raised their dividend every single year for at least 10 years straight. Those are called Dividend Aristocrats. They're the reliable ones. Step 2, pick a solid dividend stock or ETF. Now, Uncle Keith isn't going to tell you exactly what to buy. That's your call, and I'm not a licensed financial advisor. But here's what to look for. A stock with a dividend yield between 2% and 5%. Anything higher than 6%? Be careful. That can be a warning sign. Step 3, turn on DRIP. Most brokerages have a toggle, one click, done. Now, every dividend you earn automatically buys more shares. You don't have to think about it. It just grows. I know what you're thinking. Uncle Keith, $500 is not a lot of money. You're right, on day 1. But let's look at what happens when you leave it alone. Say you invest $500 in a dividend stock with a 4% yield. Year 1, you earn $20 in dividends. You reinvest it. Now you have $520 working for you. Next year, $520 earns dividends. Reinvest it again. You keep adding $100 a month, which is $3.33 a day, by the way. That's one less coffee run. In 10 years, you're looking at over $18,000. In 20 years, over $46,000. And it's paying you dividends every single quarter, automatically. That's not theory, that's math. Boring, beautiful math. The people who get rich slowly, this is how they do it. They start small, they stay consistent, they don't touch it, and one day they open their account and the machine is running on its own. Hey, if this is making sense and you want more straight talk money lessons like this, hit subscribe. No fluff, no Wall Street jargon. Just Uncle Keith keeping it real. All right, let's keep going, because I want to talk about the mistakes beginners make with dividend investing and how to avoid every single one of them. What are some mistakes to avoid? Mistake number 1, chasing high yields. You see a stock paying 10% dividends. Sounds amazing, right? Wrong. High yields are often a red flag. It can mean the company is struggling and using dividends to attract desperate investors. Stick to the 2 to 5% range. Boring wins. Mistake number 2, not reinvesting. The whole point of DRIP is compounding. If you're spending your dividends on stuff, you're just running in place. Reinvest every time, especially in the early years. Mistake number 3, giving up too soon. This is the big one. People start, see their $500 grow to $510, think that's nothing, and quit. But the first 5 years are the slowest. Mistake number 3, giving up too soon. This is the big one. People start, see their $500 grow to $510, think that's nothing, and quit. But the first 5 years are the slowest. Look, I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm here to tell you what's real. And what's real is this. $500 isn't going to make you rich overnight. But $500 invested in solid dividend stocks with DRIP turned on and a little added each month, that is how regular people build generational wealth. Not overnight, not with luck, with a plan, with patience, with a snowball that keeps rolling. You don't need a financial advisor. You don't need to be on Wall Street, you just need to start. So here's your homework. Open a brokerage account this week. Even if you only put in $50 to start. Just begin. The snowball doesn't roll until you push it. I'm Uncle Keith. Welcome to the family. If this helped, like this video and subscribe. I drop straight talk money lessons every week. No jargon, no fluff. See you in the next one, and have a prosperous day.